reporting for duty. We are going to Epic Universe at Universal Studios today to celebrate my bestie's birthday. She's 25 today. Period walk. I'll show you guys her in a second. You're coming with us. So we're gonna go to Epic Universe. Of course, none of us have ever been. This is the newest park at Universal. So we're excited and we're all characters. So I'm Toadette. Ready? Here's Bowser, the birthday girl. Go, 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 go. Mario's here. Period. This is Daisy. Fit check. Oh. And here's the star. The star. Period. Wow. So we're about to go to the park. Y'all ready? Okay, let's go. Starting at the entrance of Epic Universe, this is the front gate. And once we got past and through the gate, this is the entryway. All of the areas in Epic Universe have these portal entryways, and I thought that is so cool. It kind of takes you into each quote-unquote universe. So, of course, we started with the Super Mario Brothers. I had to go there first because I think that's really why we went, as we were all dressed up as characters from Mario. Anywho, the entrance into the quote-unquote Mario universe is the tunnel. Y'all know the green tunnels in the game? And fun fact, the tunnel is actually making the sound of the tunnel. That sound? Yeah. It does that, and I thought that was so cool. So this area alone was so detailed. We were in awe. Like, being inside of the game pretty much was just like so surreal. The details, chef's kiss. The colors, chef's kiss. All of the characters, none of the characters were missing. It was a little bit of everything. They had coins everywhere. The bricks where you hit them and they make the little ding sound. That, like, everything gave, I'm in this game playing for real. So we were just walking around enjoying the view, enjoying the air. Like, it was just so cool. And we went on the Yoshi ride. So that just kind of pretty much took us through the little town, had cute little stuff. We went on 2 rides in this area. They were both kind of more on the chill side. We did this one as well as the Mario Kart one. Now, the Mario Kart ride, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. For us to have been in that line for about 2 hours, 5 out of 10, because for real. Anywho, this is me dinging the little brick. This is, I think we're in Bowser's house for one of them, and this is their costumes for the Mario Kart race or whatever. Like I said, for as long as the ride was, or as long as the wait time for the ride was, it was just like, for real? Question mark, question mark. But nevertheless, very nice area. Like, I could have just walked around this area because there was a lot more to do, and there are also like little arcade games on the side. Yeah, it was real cute. It was real tea. I just don't feel like the wait time should have been as long as it was for what it was. Like, if it was a crazy like the roller coaster, wait time was 15 minutes as opposed to the little cart. That was 2 hours, but that's neither here nor there. Anywho, after we left that area, we got some pizza. And y'all, let me tell you, this pizza was everything. I don't know if we were just all hungry, but it was bomb. 10 out of 10. So after that, we went to the How to Train Your Dragon area. This is a little portal into the How to Train Your Dragon world. And honestly, ride wise, this was my favorite area. We got on 2 rides, and they were both like, well, no, one was kind of like a calmer flying ride, and the other one was a little mini roller coaster. That was cute. By far, this was my favorite area as far as like the adrenaline rides. Like, it really gave, we flying with the dragons, and I loved that. The scenery was very tea. It was a pretty nice sized area, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this. I was supposed to get on this roller coaster, but my friends, they didn't want to, and I'll give them that because yeah. Anywho, after we left the How to Train Your Dragon area, we went over to the Harry Potter area, and I feel like his little portal was really nice because they had a little wand. I feel like that was a nice touch. It really put it together. Now, compared to other parks, this Harry Potter area was not as large as I expected it to be. There was only 1 ride, and that ride was also, I think, like 2.5 hours. So we didn't even wait in line for that one because at that point we was like, all right, whatever. But as far as the city area looking, it was pretty cool. So we only went to those 3 areas. Nevertheless, Epic Universe was cool. Alright, Hues, I give Epic Universe a cool 7. out of 10. And the video I told y'all why. So hope y'all enjoyed this little voiceover video. I had fun today. Again, happy birthday to my bestie. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Hues.